Palantir ended up closing up 6.38% today, and if you're a long-term investor, that is definitely good because the past week has been a little rough. We talked about this bearish cipher that was setting up here, which is actually 100% of the time accurate. As of recently, it's been 100% accurate, and we fell all the way down to $13. What we're going to talk about in this video is now, after bouncing at $14, do I think that it's the time to buy Palantir? At this current moment, I actually have a bullish and a bearish position in Palantir, which I'm going to further explain as well. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is peterdicarlo. I'm a full-time trader for the past 8 years. I've been living off the markets, and I run a trading community which is completely free with over 11,700 members. I share all of my trades over on my Twitter and our trading community. As well, you can come and hang out with myself, all of the moderators, and our goal is just to make trading simple, effective, but also give you guys a great community that you can trade and grow with in this ever-growing technological world that's filled with cheap and quick dopamine. It's very hard to find people, especially men of substance that you want to be around and that you want to grow with. And that's our goal, not only just through trading, but just giving you guys a solid community to be a part of. Looking at Palantir on the 1 hour, we talked about that big move that ended up moving us down to about $13.82. Since there, we started to get some solid consolidation. We started to use this resistance here of about $14.30, and we were holding the support level of about $13.90. Now from there, we saw one order block come through and a second order block come through. At that moment, big gap up today, pushed all the way up for the first hour, and we actually hit a high of $15. I took a short position on this, funny enough, today for a day trade, which I ended up losing some money on, but we had this big rising wedge that was happening here. I was looking to go short right around this range and hopefully drive it all the way down to $14.20, which didn't occur. But I felt that I'd throw it in there because I did actually take a losing short-term trade on this. Now, looking at this order block, this has been the story for Palantir since all the way back in August. Looking at that big drop where eventually we found a bottom on August 10th, we've basically been sitting here and trading between this resistance level of 16 and this support level of 14. And in the past week, as we were doing this tight consolidation here, I actually put on calls and puts. And so what I've been waiting for is either the break above 16 to potentially move ourselves back up to 20, and more importantly, to potentially fill this gap back here. Or if not, for the potential move back down to fill this volume gap down at about $11. So it's really just sitting here within these two pivot levels, waiting for the break to either side. This looks like a very tight trading range, and it is, but this is a huge volatile range that you can be pulling profits out of each and every single time. For instance, from this swing low of 14 up to 16 is about a 14% return up and down. And so for myself, and if I was a trader watching Palantir, what I would personally be looking for at this moment is to see if we can push and hold over that $16 level, and if we can, we could potentially move our way back up to 19. From there, back up to 22 and all-time highs. But the unfortunate truth is that if we break 14 and we hold below 14, we are most certainly going to drop our way back to $10, which is about another 20% move to the downside. Guys, thanks for all the support. Check out our Discord community. If you want access to all my trades completely for free your first month, use the second link in the description. This week alone, we're actually down, which is the first time I've been down in a very, very long time. I might actually end September red, but that's just a part of it. But so far this year, we've absolutely been killing it. And the best part is we give it to you guys completely for free your first month to give you guys an understanding of how we run things, and more importantly, to show you guys that we're legit and we're here to help you, right? We're going to give you a realistic aspect of what trading is like and how myself and my students have been doing this full-time for some of us for the past 4+ years. Thanks for all the support, guys. I hope you have a great day and a great week. Use proper risk management, and I'll see you next time.